Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. It's a plant video, so I am very happy. Let's start off with my variegated spathiphyllum or the peace lily. Well, these days I am just loving this particular plant, and there has been new growth. I think the rain is helping it to grow, and this is my pink caladium. I had bought this plant last year and it was in deep sleep, and finally it's out. The leaves are flaunting its beauty. Look at it. 2 leaves. I think more leaves will be coming out very soon. Now let's wait and see. Now look at this beautiful geranium. Look at it. It seems an artist has drawn those pink patches on the white canvas. Look at it. It's called the white splash. And yes, I am just admiring its beauty, and I'm loving it actually. And I just saw a new set of bud curled up. Very soon it's going to bloom. Now this is my syngonium, one of my favorite again. Actually, I love the color green. Look at the vibrant green. It is a sort of neon green, and it makes the space very, very colorful. Beautiful. Now let's move on to our tiny succulent. What I noticed about this succulent is that it grows rapidly. Look at it. And these type of succulents, if we drop the leaves, it's going to propagate. Actually, these days I have learned to tackle succulents more or less, and I'm happy with that. Now this is my rubies necklace. Yes, actually it is not colored right now, but when it is exposed to the full sun, they turn just purple. And I have seen in one of the videos, I don't know whose video, that we have variegated rubies necklace also, and maybe someday I can catch hold of it. So right now I am happy with mine, which is the mother plant, which was given to me long time back, I think 3 or 4 years back, by Prakriti. And there are a few buds here and there, but because of the heat, the size of the flowers are very tiny. There you can see a yellow speck, that's the flower. Now one of the pretty succulent again, this is the Kalanchoe variegata. Very, very easy growing, a beginner's friendly plant. If one is a beginner into succulent, one can start off with these kind of plants, the Kalanchoe variegata. It is so very pretty, and it will make you really, really happy. This is my golden sedum, and it is turning just golden. Actually, I just watered it, and it looks so very happy. Look at that cryptanthus. That too has been watered, and this part or this portion is looking so very colorful. Different shades of green, red, yellow. Oh my god, look at it. This cryptanthus has been given to me again long time back by my younger cousin, Moshmi, and it's doing well. That's my golden sedum, which is again an interesting succulent, perfect for beginners. Now this is the geranium. The plant, the cutting was given to me by my sister-in-law Rosa, and this was a cutting, and this is the first time it's blooming. Look at the long stalk and the fiery red ball of flowers. Beautiful, beautiful. That's the plant. Now look at this beauty. Oh my god, the flowers are so very pretty. It's a shaded one, and I just love it. Now moving on to our syngonium. Now this particular plant is also beautiful. It can be kept indoors for a few days, and the leaves actually looks like a horse head. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? And it's variegated. Now this is the Tradescantia nunuk. The mother plant was given to me by my cousin, the elder one. long time back, and it is looking so very pretty and vibrant. Beautiful. So thank you my dear friends for staying till the end. If you all have found the video interesting, to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye bye for today. Be safe, be happy. Bye bye.